Hey, this is Jeff at Aqua FX and Outdoor Living FX. We appreciate you staying tuned for our next project. We've been asked questions about, can we do water features in small condensed areas? Well, today we're going to show you how we could transform a small garden bed into a beautiful waterscape for your outside living entertainment. So stay tuned so you can see our progress from start to finish. Hey, welcome back. So as you can see, it's taking place real nicely. We have 2 out of 3 of the spillways completed. So it's taking a nice framework for this garden bed and completing it. So stay tuned for our next picture when we show you all 3 working with some new landscape. Thanks for coming back and joining us. As you can see here, the 3 basins really make a nice touch for the water gardens. We landscaped it with some nice colorful perennials. We're going to finish off with some gravel, adjust some sprinkle heads, put in some night lights. So stay tuned for the finished product when we can show you the whole area done with the new water. Welcome back. As you can see, the landscape really took shape with this new water feature. It's going to help us extend our evening outdoor living with company and friends. We're going to finish up with some night lights, a little sprinkler upgrades. So until then, remember, it's outdoorlivingfx.com. Go check us out.